In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. Now, if you have been experiencing this problem, there is a very simple solution that you are going to do here on your Google Chrome to fix this, and I'm going to show you. So we are in Google Chrome right now, and I want you to head over here to your settings, just like so, and from here we're gonna look for privacy and security. Now from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and we are going to look for security, and here in the safe browsing, instead of standard, go ahead and choose no protection in this case, and down below it says here always use secure connections. You make sure that you are turning this off. Turning this on, what is going to happen is that it's going to warn you for insecure public sites. All right, so that is what you are seeing there earlier. But if you don't want to see that one, just go ahead and turn this off. This is built in by Google in order for everyone to have an additional security. And that, again, everybody, is how you are going to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome.